We are looking at how to say everything is going to be alright, my dear friend, but in Australian. How do you go about pronouncing this phrase? In Australia, it is said as, she'll be right, mate. She'll be right, mate. You don't have to say the mate part. You can simply say, she'll be right, meaning everything is going to be alright, or whatever you're talking about is going to be alright and turn out well. She'll be right, mate. Don't worry. She'll be right. No worries. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. More Australian slang words and terms and names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. More videos about those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Cheers.